The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And while some people are still scrolling through cat videos, others are using free AI tools to make their lives easier, their businesses grow faster, and their ideas come to life, all without spending a single cent. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 free AI tools you should be using right now, and trust me, once you see number 3, you'll wish you had found it sooner. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, some were life-changing, others were digital paperweights. In this video, I'm giving you the ones that actually deliver results. And yes, all of them are completely free to start with, no credit card required. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or just curious about AI, this list will change the way you work and create. First up, the legend itself, ChatGPT. Even on the free plan, ChatGPT is like having a research assistant, copywriter, and brainstorming partner in your pocket. You can use it to write blog posts, generate business ideas, plan travel itineraries, create social media captions, or even help you learn new skills. The trick to getting the best out of ChatGPT: prompt engineering. Don't just say, "Write me a blog post." Instead, give it context, tone, and structure, and it'll deliver results that feel almost human. For example, write me a 500-word blog post in a friendly tone about healthy breakfast ideas for busy professionals, with a catchy intro and 3 actionable tips. The free plan is powerful enough for 80% of everyday use cases. And if you outgrow it, you can upgrade, but most people never even need to. Second, we have Canva's AI magic tools. Canva isn't just for making pretty slides anymore. Their free AI tools can generate entire social media posts, presentations, and even images from text prompts. With Magic Write, you can create copy instantly. With text to image, you can turn your ideas into visuals without touching Photoshop. Let's say you're launching a coffee brand. In under 5 minutes, Canva can help you design your logo, write your Instagram bio, generate ad copy, and create promotional images, all in one platform. The free plan gives you enough AI credits every month to experiment without paying a dime. Third, Perplexity AI. Think of it as ChatGPT's cousin that's obsessed with fact-checking. It's a free AI-powered search engine that not only gives you answers but also shows its sources right on the page. Need to quickly research a topic, compare statistics, or get the latest news? Perplexity pulls from the web in real time, so you're not stuck with outdated data. I've used it to write research-backed blog posts, fact-check marketing claims, and even compare product reviews. If accuracy matters to you, this tool is a game-changer. Fourth is Leonardo AI, a free AI image generator that rivals Midjourney, without the subscription. You can create photorealistic portraits, fantasy art, game assets, product mock-ups, you name it. And unlike some free tools, Leonardo lets you tweak and refine your image prompts until they're exactly what you imagined. Content creators love it for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and even NFTs. Businesses use it for ad creatives and product visuals. The free plan gives you daily credits, so you can keep creating without opening your wallet. And finally, Razment Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators on the market. With just a few lines of text, it can produce natural-sounding voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even dubbing content for international audiences. You can choose from existing voices or create your own custom voice clone. The free plan gives you enough monthly credits to voice multiple short videos, and the quality is so good, your viewers might not even know it's AI. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today for free. The world isn't waiting for you to catch up, AI is moving fast, and those who adapt now will have the advantage tomorrow. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these tools and actually try it today. Don't just watch this video and move on. Make something, automate something, or learn something new. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and share this video with someone who's still stuck in the pre-AI era. Trust me, they'll thank you later.